Sorting.
adventure. We're going to the Buckingham Palace and whatever else I can walk through from there.
steam hot and baguette with hot butter. I'll make real quickly.
Alright, so we're headed to the Buckingham Palace today. I got off the train station. I'm just walking around. I stumbled upon this food market. I smelled some really good chicken, which I thought was fried noodles, but it was just like a Vietnamese noodle bowl. It was fuego. I literally ate it all. So now, going to see the Buckingham Palace. Alright, I'm at the area Piccadilly Circus. The underground is right over there and right across from me. The Buckingham Palace is actually that way, but I'm gonna walk up this way, see what things I see, loop around, and head to the Buckingham Palace. There's a lot to see in this little area. I keep getting distracted by different things. So I'm headed in this direction, and then I look over here and I see this cool little street. There was a Hard Rock, a Five Guys, there's a Legoland, there's a Bubba Gum. See, there's too much going on. I got Mary Poppins behind me. Alright, I got a quick pic with William Shakespeare. Harry P, what you think? Batman. Alright, I gotta press on. We still haven't made it to the palace yet. Travel key tip before you go to a place, if you're using Google Maps, make sure you download the map offline so that you can use it without Wi-Fi, without service. It'll help get you around the city. Okay, I just arrived in Trafalgar Square. We have this beautiful fountain, some giant ice cream sundae. Yeah, this person on the horse. Got this other maybe museum. This is Joe playing his song Yes, and it was produced at Abbey Studio. We're gonna take the scenic route through St. James Park and then to Buckingham Palace. Floriferous shrubberies in the spirit of John Nash from 1752 to 1835. We have made it to the Buckingham Palace. We have Queen Victoria, the Buckingham Palace. Thank you for joining me on today's adventure through London to the Buckingham Palace, through St. James Park, through Trafalgar Square. If you liked anything in this video, don't forget to give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next adventure.